Negative sentences in Filipino. Hindi ako sasama sa'yo. Hindi ako sasama sa'yo. Meaning, I'm not going with you. I'm not going with you. Ayoko ng gatas sa kape ko. Ayoko ng gatas sa kape ko. I don't want any milk in my coffee. I don't want any milk in my coffee. Hindi siya nagsasabi ng totoo. Hindi siya nagsasabi ng totoo. She's not telling the truth. She's not telling the truth. Hindi kita tinitingnan. Hindi kita tinitingnan. I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at you. Wala akong makitang papel. Wala akong makitang papel. I couldn't find any paper. I couldn't find any paper. Baka hindi siya nagbibiro. Maaaring totoo yun. Baka hindi siya nagbibiro. Maaaring totoo yun. She might not be joking. It could be true. She might not be joking. It could be true. Huwag mong isara ang bintana. Huwag mong isara ang bintana. Don't close the window. Don't close the window. Hindi dapat kinakain ng dugo. Hindi dapat kinakain ng dugo. Blood should not be eaten. Blood should not be eaten. Huwag kang bastos. Huwag kang bastos. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Wala akong binili. Wala akong binili. I didn't buy anything. I didn't buy anything. Hindi ako sigurado. Hindi ako sigurado. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Hindi siya interesado sa payo mo. Hindi siya interesado sa payo mo. He's not interested in your advice. He's not interested in your advice. Walang mga sasakyan sa kalsada. Walang mga sasakyan sa kalsada. There are no cars on the road. There are no cars on the road. Hindi ka namin hihintayin. Hindi ka namin hihintayin. We will not wait for you. We will not wait for you. Hindi niya inamin na mali siya. Hindi niya inamin na mali siya. He did not admit that he was wrong. He did not admit that he was wrong. Akala ko wala kang pakialam. Akala ko wala kang pakialam. I thought you didn't care. I thought you didn't care. Wala na akong masasabi pa. Wala na akong masasabi pa. I have nothing more to say. I have nothing more to say. Huwag mong hayaang marumi ang kusina. Huwag mong hayaang marumi ang kusina. Don't leave the kitchen a mess. Don't leave the kitchen a mess. Hindi ka imbitado. Hindi ka imbitado. You're not invited. You're not invited. Hindi mo pwedeng iwanan ang mga bata ng walang kasama. Hindi mo pwedeng iwanan ang mga bata ng walang kasama. You can't leave the children alone. You can't leave the children alone. Walang mansana sa basket. Walang mansana sa basket. It's okay to leave out the Tagalog plural marker mga when saying this negative sentence. The person you're talking to will still understand what you mean. There are no apples in the basket. There are no apples in the basket. Hindi mahilig lumangoy ang mga pusa. Hindi mahilig lumangoy ang mga pusa. Cats don't like swimming. Cats don't like swimming. Huwag kang umiyak. Huwag kang umiyak. Don't cry. Don't cry. Huwag kang makulit. Huwag kang makulit. Don't be annoying. Don't be annoying. If you're a new learner of Filipino, the word makulit has no direct English translation. It can be said to a child who's naughty or to someone who is annoying or pushy. Makulit can be said in an endearing manner, but it is also used when one is pissed off at someone who's being unpleasantly demanding. Huwag mo akong pagsalitaan ng ganyan. Huwag mo akong pagsalitaan ng ganyan. Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. Ayaw ko niyan. Ayaw ko niyan. I don't like that or I don't want that. Hindi ako nagugutom. Hindi ako nagugutom. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Hindi ka dapat pumunta roon. Hindi ka dapat pumunta roon. You mustn't go there. You mustn't go there. Hindi mo dapat aksayahin ang pera mo. Hindi mo dapat aksayahin ang pera mo. You shouldn't waste your money. You shouldn't waste your money. Hindi ko pwedeng ikwento sa'yo. Hindi ko pwedeng ikwento sa'yo. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. Hindi ako a-attend sa party. Hindi ako a-attend sa party. I won't attend the party or I'm not going to the party. Wala siya rito. Wala siya rito. She's not here. She's not here. Ayokong makipag-usap sa'yo. Ayokong makipag-usap sa'yo. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Hindi niya pa ako sinasagot. Hindi niya pa ako sinasagot. He hasn't given me an answer yet. He hasn't given me an answer yet. Wala silang mga alagang hayop. Wala silang mga alagang hayop. They don't have any pets. They don't have any pets. Hindi niya itinanggi ang mga paratang. Hindi niya itinanggi ang mga paratang. He didn't deny the charges, or he didn't deny the accusations. Hindi ko makita. Hindi ko makita. This negative sentence has two meanings. I couldn't find it, and I can't see it. Hindi ako makatulog. Hindi ako makatulog. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. Hindi makopa ang mga to. Hindi makopa ang mga to. These aren't red apples. These aren't red apples. Here are some examples of negative questions in Filipino. Bakit hindi mo ako tinanong? Bakit hindi mo ako tinanong? Why didn't you ask me? Why didn't you ask me? Hindi ka ba napapagod? Hindi ka ba napapagod? Aren't you tired? Aren't you tired? Hindi mo ba pwedeng gawin yan bukas? Hindi mo ba pwedeng gawin yan bukas? Can't you do that tomorrow? Can't you do that tomorrow? Hindi ka ba giniginaw? Hindi ka ba giniginaw? Aren't you cold? Aren't you cold? Hindi ka pa ba tapos? Hindi ka pa ba tapos? Aren't you done yet? Aren't you done yet? Di ba vegetarian ka? Di ba vegetarian ka? Aren't you a vegetarian? Aren't you a vegetarian? D is the contracted form of the negative Tagalog word hindi. Filipinos often use it in sentences. Di ba kuya ni Johnny yon? Di ba kuya ni Johnny yon? Isn't that Johnny's elder brother? Isn't that Johnny's elder brother? Hindi niya ba alam na ngayon ang pasahan ng report? Hindi niya ba alam na ngayon ang pasahan ng report? Doesn't she know that the report is due today? Doesn't she know that the report is due today? Hindi ka ba naghugas ng plato kagabi? Hindi ka ba naghugas ng plato kagabi? Didn't you wash the dishes last night? Didn't you wash the dishes last night? Walang tao sa bahay. Walang tao sa bahay. There's no one in the house. There's no one in the house. Hindi kami magkaano-ano. Hindi kami magkaano-ano. Meaning, we are not related in any way. We are not related in any way. The words hindi, ayaw, huwag, ayoko, and wala are negative sentence indicators which you have seen from the 50 examples that you have learned. So when you hear these words in a phrase or a sentence, it means that the speaker is saying that something is false or he disagrees with an idea. The most common structure of a Tagalog negative sentence is Negative word plus pronoun followed by an adjective or a verb. Again, negative word plus pronoun plus adjective or verb. You can play this video again to observe how this sentence structure is applied to the examples. You will also discover some other patterns as you go along.